Good evening traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Vishal, and in today's video I'll be sharing three stocks of the same sector which can go potentially much higher from here. Before I venture into these stocks, I'll try to share a little bit view about the overall market, especially Nifty. Now what we can see over here that on this particular day I had made a video and I clearly told that Nifty is trading between support and resistance. Now resistance is this entire resistance band 19,779 to 19,546.55, and the lower end was this particular trend line. And from this day, from the support, we can see a pretty decent bounce back. And if you check the hourly time frame charts also, we have slightly overstretched in the hourly time frame chart. So maybe next couple of days we might slightly consolidate and then we might try to go higher. But as a trader, we need to understand that it's not going to be smooth sailing in Nifty because we had multiple resistances in between. This was the first band. Then there is a gap over here. Once again, we'll have a gap over here. So the entire rally in Nifty is not going to be very, very smooth. It will be slightly zigzag. Okay. So as a trader, I believe rather than concentrating on Nifty, it is better that you concentrate on themes, on sectors, and then from within those sectors, you can concentrate on good stocks. And if you check Bank Nifty, I guess Bank Nifty has again bounced back from this particular support, but this resistance band is still troubling Bank Nifty from 44,379 to 44,760 or 761. Once we close above this with a decent candle only, then we'll be able to see some fireworks in the Bank Nifty. Fine. Now the sector which I'm going to talk about is the cement sector. Today, if you are following me on Twitter, then I had posted about this particular stock, Grasim Industries, and it looked as if there was no other stock which is going up today. Even in the afternoon when markets little bit got subdued, little bit some profit booking was going on there, this stock started rallying pretty nicely. Now, apart from this stock, I have three more stocks. The first one is the Ambuja Cement. Okay, now I'm going to share the reasons due to which this particular stock can go higher. This is not a trading call. I'm not going to share stop loss or target or anything, but this is more of a learning video. So you will understand why and what are the reasons due to which this stock can go higher. First thing is, I guess the entire set of cement stocks are trying to go higher. That is the one thing. Second thing is, this particular stock, you can see it has tried to bounce back from the same support band. It is actually consolidating over a pretty big time frame, and twice it has bounced back. The second reason, if I just drop a trend line, I'll just try to draw it in a better way. If I connect these two highs over here in RSI, you will see a trend line breakout happening in the RSI. One more reason according to me is, if I connect these two swings, this is the first one, this is the second one, then we can see this is the 121.20% Fibonacci extension. So everywhere we can see positivity in this stock, but there is one thing which we need to understand. This resistance is a very, very stiff resistance. We need to close above at least, I would say, 455, 456 with a big green candle, with a proper bullish candle. Only then we will be able to start rallying higher. Why? Well, the reason is, if you check this particular high, this is the highest high, then we have a lower, you can see this is a low, and then we have a lower high, again we have a lower low, lower high, and a lower low. So once if we break this zone, I guess we'll be breaking this entire theory of Dow Jones, the characteristics of a downtrend, and we might start going higher. Fine, this is the first stock. Now let me share with you the second stock. The second stock today is going to be India Cement. All right. So in this stock, as of now, you will see it's looking extremely lackluster. I can completely agree. The candles which are seen over here, inverted hammer, it looks pretty, I can say, pretty jumbled up basically. But we need to understand one thing very clearly. that this stock is trying to bounce from a very firm support. It's trying. It is not successful, but it's trying. See, this is the second time when it was successful, and see the type of rally which came from this trend line. Now, somewhere over here, there is also a support. This price cluster and this 61.80% Fibonacci extension. So overall, things are looking fine. The trend is still flat. Trend is still flat. And on the upside, we have some sort of congestion zone over here, a resistance zone over here. So if we need to move higher, then the stock will need to close at least above this level, 250, 256. If we close above this with a pretty big green candle, then yes, a decent rally can be probable. So try to understand the reasons which I'm trying to share with you in these stocks. And the third one is also a cement stock, and it is going to be Ultratech Cement. Now, over here, what I've tried to do is I've tried to retrace this entire trend, this entire big trend, right? You would assume that why I have tried to retrace this one. Why not this particular low, which is the most recent one? Yes, you're right. But at times, we need to manually intervene and try to understand what the price is trying to tell us, which is not available on the screen. And what I can see over here is this is a pretty big trend from 5100 possibly till you can say over here 8739, 8740. Now, what I can see is such a strong rally. Price is not even ready to test this particular zone, this level, which is the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement. Consistent buying is happening. As soon as price is trying to come close to this particular support, there are multiple buyers which are coming up and trying to possibly take the prices higher. I agree with you that they are not successful. Somewhere over here, there is a ceiling of some sort of selling pressure is coming up and price is not able to go higher. But you need also to understand something, that after such a big rally, some sort of consolidation is always probable. And it seems that this time the consolidation has gone too far, but there is also a probability that if the stock closes above, say, 85.35 or 85.40 or maybe even 85.50, then there is a decent chance that this stock can rally on the upside. So I have tried to share the valid reasons for these stocks to rally. And these stocks are for people who want to engage in the markets for maybe 1 month to 3 to 4 months. This is not for short-term swing traders. All right. So I hope this video has added value to your own analysis. And please don't take these stocks blindly. These are not trading calls. This is more of an educational video where I've tried to share the valid reasons, technical reasons due to which these stocks can go higher. Try to share this video with other people and let me know by your comments below the video that would you like such videos in the future or not. Trade well, trade wisely. Thank you.